So here's a problem with decimals for you. It says a male leopard seal is measured and has the length of 2 8/10 of a meter. Like that. A male elephant seal is about 1 5/10 times as long as the male leopard seal. What length is the male elephant seal? So here's the leopard seal. I looked it up. They're so cute. And then here is the bigger male elephant seal. So this one is 1 5/10 larger. So I know I must multiply. So what am I going to multiply? Well, I'm going to take both of these numbers times themselves. So I have my problem set up, and I'm going to just X out the decimal points. I'm going to ignore them right now, but I'm going to keep in mind, I'm going to put at the top side here that I had 2 numbers in the decimal point, right? So I'm going to do my ones place here and get 140. Now I'm done with my ones place. I'm going to put a 0, and I have 280. So 420, but now I go back to my original problem and I'm seeing that I have 2 numbers in the decimal point. So my decimal point's currently here and I'm going to move it 2 spots. So now it is 4 2/10 of a meter. So the leopard seal is 2 8/10 and the elephant seal is 1 5/10 larger, and that would be 4 2/10. That makes sense to me. So now we're going to try one by ourselves next. Remember 5th grade, the very first thing you should do is decide how many numbers are behind the decimal point. So here we have 3 numbers behind. So I'm going to write my 3 up here just to keep it in mind. And I'm going to ignore those decimal points. It's like I'm multiplying 362 times 14. So that's simple enough. If you would like to pause the video and multiply it yourself now. I don't recommend doing what I'm doing by having a line over here. Make sure you have enough room. Okay, so now I know I have 3 numbers in the decimal point, so I'm going to move that decimal point in. 1, 2, 3. So 5 68/1000. So here's one more problem. Please pause the video and try it yourself. Let's see how you do. So first check and see how many numbers are in the decimal. It's 2. I'm going to ignore my decimal point. Now I'm going to solve it as if it's 845 times 55. You guys are getting really good at doing your multiplication, which I'm very proud of you about. Five, 7, 4, 6, 4. I'm going to write it over here. 4, 6, 4, 7, 5. Now I go back to my original problem and it showed me that there were 2 places in the decimal. So 1, 2, bam, bam, there we go. And the answer is 464 75/100.